Going to be replacing the old plastic cam covers. I'll show a quick video of how they look like before, and we're replacing them with a brand new Ford Performance GT500 cam cover, since they the Predator engine and the Voodoo and the Coyote use the same like bolt pattern and everything like that. It lines up perfectly. Obviously got the whole this side exposed, had to remove the whole intake system just so you can access the bolts over there, which are a little bit of a pain. But let's move on over to the other side where I already have mocked up the brand new cam covers. Right there you can see how they look, and then still gonna have the Roush on top of that, but now just have to transfer the coil covers, plug them in, and all that will look nice and good. Already applied sealant right here on this little areas there and there, and I already applied them there, so I just applied that. Now I'm just gonna be putting in all the bolts and torquing everything down to spec. It's not that hard, it's just replacing the bolts, taking the old ones out and putting the brand new ones. Just make sure to try to vacuum or blow out as much dust as possible, just so you try not to get as much contaminants or dirt or dust into the actual camshafts. If you do, just make sure to clean them. Nothing like that, no big deal. As you guys can see, the Ford Performance cam covers come with brand new shiny hardware, so you don't have to reuse the other ones, which the other ones I believe have like a rubber grommet, which as you can see here, it has a completely different design. So it just has a washer right here. You can try to take out one. So here is one of the bolts right here, just nice, and then just go right there in all the holes, and just make sure to torque them down to spec and try to torque them down in an evenly distributed manner. This is kind of how the final product is supposed to look like. Obviously still gotta plug in everything, but that's how it looks, and it looks honestly way beautiful, way more better than the plastic ones. And just to show you guys, here's the other side. You can kind of see the inside of it. So you got the little plate for the bypass fumes and all that. See, everything is way more high quality. See, made for the 2020 GT500. So that's gonna now go on to that side, and we can actually quickly compare the older ones. You can kind of see that these were the old cam cover. They still have to transfer the coils to the brand new one, but you can kind of see how this is just way more better manufactured. See, for durability, these being plastic are still very good, but you can't beat these aluminum ones. So now these, just gonna go, cleaned up everything here, so now just gonna install them on this side. And here it is, guys, the final results with everything put back together. The cold air intake, strut tower brace, all the wires and everything hooked back up. Right here you can't really see it that well, but going on to the other side, the passenger side, you see the cam covers from the GT500 look amazing right there. And just here's something that I just want to address. A lot of people have been asking me about this red Roush Supercharger, where I got it. It's practically a stock Roush R2300 blower with a 85mm pulley. The only difference is I ended up getting a custom paint job to it, got it powder coated and all that, which normally they come black, this matte black. So this has more of that red kind of Ferrari inspired wrinkle finish. But yeah, that was just a question that I always get on what kind of supercharger it is, because normally, like I said, the Roush superchargers always come in that matte black or wrinkle black finish. So that's just my response to you guys. And wow, just looking at that GT500 aluminum cam covers contrasting with the nice bright red supercharger, just looks really good in my opinion. Just getting a quick look over here on this side again with the cold air intake. Yeah, this setup definitely does look really aggressive, really mean, and definitely looks amazing. Try to get looks over there. Back here, it's can't really see much, but yeah, if you guys were wondering, Like I said, 85mm pulley, running on stock fuel injectors, so not pushing it too much. I believe they're running at 90% efficiency, or not efficiency, but 90% of what they can handle. So it's only producing 662 horsepower, which is actually right up there with the 2013 and 2014 GT500s, I believe. But yeah, it definitely looks really good. Alright you guys, so that wraps it up for this video. Just wanted to get a quick little install of these GT500 aluminum cam covers from Ford Performance. And overall, they look amazing, and I would definitely recommend them if you were planning on doing them, or if you needed to replace your cam covers by any means. So that's it for me. I'll see you guys in the next one.